Hello, everyone. My name is Spencer Doman, and I'm the director of the Doman International Institute. I'm making this video because I'm excited to share some news with you about our long-standing collaboration with the Croatian Association for Early Education, Hureka, and how our work together is reaching a new level. So the Doman Method, which is taught by the Doman International Institute, is now becoming part of the Strong Start program. With our expertise with children with special needs and over 60 years of experience, helping these children acquire new abilities and reach new heights, we will contribute to even greater progress with children with developmental difficulties in Croatia. Doman International has been traveling to Croatia for the last 5 years, and we love the families with children with special needs in Croatia and have seen amazing gains with children in this country. And we are looking forward to our continued travel and teaching to families in Croatia. Now, Hureka is the only organization in Croatia that is currently collaborating with Doman International. And this is an important thing for you to know because Doman International is the only organization in the world which is licensed to teach the Doman Method. And so in collaboration with Hureka and with the Doman Metod Srbija Association and Nika Grgic, we will jointly work together to help the children of Croatia. And it's important for me to emphasize that only trainers certified by Doman International can conduct child evaluations and teach the Doman Method treatment plan to families in Croatia and around the world. If you are contacted or offered by other organizations to be taught the Doman Method, they are not approved by Doman International and have never been trained by us. I'm also excited to announce, along with experts from our team, that we are going to continue traveling to Croatia twice a year to hold consultations with parents and perform neurological evaluations with their children. At each visit, we will teach families, both in the office and through lectures, on how to have a deeper understanding of the Doman Method and how it can transform the lives of their children. Moreover, the experts from Doman International will participate in Hureka's webinars to continue to teach families and educate them in important topics about their kids. This partnership offers parents in Croatia really a very unique opportunity to learn from both organizations, from Doman International and from Hureka. Both organizations over many years have made a huge difference in the lives of children. The advantage of this Strong Start program is that it provides you with amazing materials, educational materials in your language, but also the support of an experienced team of experts in the field of neurological rehabilitation. So, Doman International helps families with children with special needs in the most important areas of their development: their sensory and cognitive development, their motor development, their respiratory development. We teach parents about nutrition by teaching them about diet and supplementation. So it's with our Doman International team and their knowledge in the latest scientific information and their practice with children that we can teach parents from all around the world. So with our help, we can provide you with the best holistic approach for your child's rehabilitation and development. I really look forward to future meetings, to traveling with the Doman International team to Croatia, and a future with no limits for our children with developmental challenges. It's a great pleasure on behalf of myself and the whole team at Doman International to serve the families of Croatia, and we look forward to our continued presence there in the future.